This AKDY brushed black stainless steel wall mount range hood delivers a unique modern design and elegant look to your kitchen. At the center, there's a backlit touch panel with multiple options. It can be utilized to adjust the 3-speed fan at 450 CFM, turn on and off LED cooktop light, and set up the auto-off delay. Pushing the clock button once, the timer can be preset up to 9 minutes to automatically turn off. Push the second time to turn it off completely. 2 built-in 2-watt LED lights illuminate your cooktop for added visibility. 450 CFM motor effortlessly removes smoke, odors, and grease from your kitchen. Setting the clock is very easy. Begin by holding the clock button. The hours will blink. Repeatedly tap the plus button to set up the hour. When done, tap the clock button to switch to the minutes. Once again, repeatedly tap the plus button to set up the minutes. Tap the power button to finish. The 3 black aluminum mesh filters pull in and trap unwanted oil particles and help keep your kitchen fresh. Filters can be easily removed and washable in the dishwasher. Thank you for watching. AKDY. Let your home do more.